Alltrue is having their 10th anniversary, and as a BeKind member, since the two companies merged, we were invited to purchase the box. So I did. And as a BeKind member, I'm not paying as much as Alltrue members. So I think my selection choices were different or less, which is fine. I'm not paying as much. Fair enough. They still do a card that tells you about the items, but unfortunately they've done away with their nice magazine that used to come, but that's life. For a 10th anniversary box, I guess I was expecting a bunch of spectacular items. You tell us, what do you think? Take a watch here, and is this spectacular, or is this just another box of stuff that they're trying to get rid of? I had picked a Elovi Body Butter Rose with a $33 value. It's a velvety rose butter for hydration and restoration of your skin. I had picked that. Unfortunately, I guess they ran out because they sent me an EVIO primer. Not what I was hoping for. And this one has a retail of $25. Unfortunate when they run out of things. That's the way it goes with boxes sometimes. At least we do get to put in a preference. From Gold, and that's spelled Golde, there's a papaya mask. I'm excited for this one. This is a powder. I've taken a little sniff. It does smell like papaya. This is a powder. So you mix some of the powder with some water in the palm of your hand to make the mask. And it is Papaya Bright Exfoliating Face Mask, 1 ounce. And what else can I tell you about this? It has a $34 value. And it says, treat your skin to a tropical inspired glow with 100% superfood powered powder. That's a tongue twister. To get exfoliated. Packed with papaya, lucuma, and sea buckthorn, it gently exfoliates, brightens, and hydrates, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. From Ever Eco, there is an $8 cotton tote. I like these for going to the grocery store. They hold produce and other products quite nicely. It says it has a long handle. I guess that's a fairly long handle. These do come in handy, so glad to get it. Yet in a 10th anniversary box, I guess I was expecting products that would be more than $8 values. What do you think? Let us know down below. Anne says her favorite is the papaya product. So let me know all the details, because I'm an inquiring camel and I want to know. And now moving right along with this video. Next up from Small Hours is a $20 food container. And apparently this is stainless steel, and it has these little latches that can, well, hard for the camel to do it, but they come up and they can click on, hard for me to do it with just one hand, so that it won't leak. So feasibly you could put your lunch in here and use this as your lunch container, or if you're putting leftovers in the fridge, it keeps the lid on more securely so you're not accidentally knocking over and making a mess. Cute little container. I'll find a use for it of some sort. I'm almost considering putting a plant in the bottom. Yeah, if you put some rocks in there first to help with the drainage, this could be a planter. And it had a value that is somewhere on this card, $20, a $20 value. So for a stainless steel container, not bad. And I'm trying to see if it'll tell us. Yes, it does. It holds 6.42 ounces. With a $25 retail value from Lasting Smiles, we have a pair of kitchen scissors with ceramic blades. And as odd as it might be to have found these in a 10th anniversary box, I needed a pair of new kitchen scissors. Mine are old. So I took the opportunity to get them in the box. They are $25. They are dishwasher safe, and they can be used from anything. It says from clipping herbs to cutting up deli meat and cutting up cheese. So great little thing. Normally I wouldn't pay $20 for a pair of kitchen scissors, but it's also been a while since I bought a pair of kitchen scissors, so glad to have these. And let's see, non-slip grip, rounded tips, ceramic blades, dishwasher safe, sustainable and eco-friendly. This is a $58 bowl made by Alltrue. I really like the blue on the inside. The outside is plain white, which is fine. Actually, it's more of a cream, I guess. $58 ceramic. And I'm looking to see, I'm not sure if it can go in the microwave. I think it can go in the dishwasher based upon what I'm seeing on the back of this. I think this type of item is more of what I was expecting in this box. Not that I'm saying everything needed to be worth $58, yet I think this type of item is more of what I was expecting. This is my favorite item from this half of the box. What do you like in this half of the box? Let us know, let us know, let us know. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what Anne likes to do. This box, overall, it would have had a value of $178, but since they swapped out a product, it now has a value of $170. So, I mean, I guess I really can't haggle over $8. And we do have a link for this box if you want to try it. You won't get the 10th anniversary box, but you can sign up for a BeKind subscription via Alltrue. Don't go to the Alltrue site. Use the link that will take you to the BeKind site. It is a $55 box plus tax. Shipping is still free. So for $60, I mean, the ceramic bowl paid for the box. Everything else was just an extra, which is the way it goes with subscription boxes. Like I said, I'm really not overly impressed with this as a 10th anniversary box. If this was their fall box, I'd say, hey, okay, this was the fall box, great. For a 10th anniversary, I guess my brain was expecting some more higher end items. Now, granted, I didn't pick all of the items that they had listed. I went with what I knew I would use, but it still to me just didn't seem like a 10th anniversary box. Let us know, what do you think? Was it a 10th anniversary box, or were they just trying to get rid of stuff? Thanks for taking the time to watch today. We appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, share your friends this video, notification bell, all that fun stuff as we hopefully build up our channel a little more. We've got fun stuff coming up this fall and into the Advent season. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.